Hey, welcome back. We are in lesson 103, guys. We've been at this for 3 weeks already. Thank you for joining us. If you're new here, my name is Andrea Monk. I am a media and PR strategist. I am the founder of the COLLAB Media and Public Relations Agency, and I am also the head professor of COLLAB University. COLLAB University is a business program. It's a business course based on the knowledge that I've accumulated being an entrepreneur over the last decade, also building 2 6-figure businesses from scratch, from the ground up. Talk about get out of the mud, okay? And also from things that I've learned from the industry by being a certified digital marketer and also a certified life coach, focusing on business execution and accountability. So today we are starting lesson 103, and your offer is confusing. That's why nobody is buying. What they say? So if this is for you, if you're always being creative, you're always coming up with new ideas, new offers, you're putting them out there, you're putting your heart and soul into it, you're uploading it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT just takes it over the edge for you. You're like, oh, this is it. This is the one. This is gonna make me my first $1 million. You post it online and then crickets. It's confusing. Nobody knows what you're talking about. So you have to learn how to talk to your clients, okay? So that they understand you. Because if they don't understand, they can't buy. Confused buyers do not buy, okay? All right, so let's get into our client for the day. Her name is Brittany, and she is a brand designer. Remember what I said about the psychological triggers last week? We're gonna discuss a psychological trigger that is keeping Brittany from achieving success. Hey, it's Andrea. Really quickly, are you still auditing our class? If you are, you need to enroll. First of all, subscribe to the channel, and second of all, join COLLAB University. It's a free course created for business owners, entrepreneurs, and creatives to be able to scale your business, grow it, and get to the monthly goal that you want to reach every month. No matter how small or big, courses start at the 100 level, and we're going all the way up to the 500 level. New courses are dropped every week, and it's free. At the end of the course, you do have the opportunity to become a certified make money strategist, and you can implement these tools right inside of your very own business, or you can become a certified make money coach, and you can teach other businesses, entrepreneurs, and brands the very same tools that you are learning here for free. Lastly, you can become a certified make money trainer, and you can take this system and create your own workshops, programs, sell it to corporations and organizations. The opportunities are endless. If you're interested, be sure to hit the link below and join us in COLLAB University. Class is in session. Brittany believes offering more services makes her more valuable. In reality, the number of options she presents makes it harder for clients to choose where to start, so they delay decisions or disappear completely. Listen, they will watch you from afar. They will say, oh Lord, I really want to work with her. I love what she does. I just don't understand how she can help me, or if she can even help what I have going on. Let's get into the client problem. Offers, logos, flyers, websites, branding kits, social medias, and consultations all at once. No clear starting service for new clients. Potential clients don't know what they actually need. Conversations start, but they rarely convert into payments. We just said a mouthful. We're going to get right into the current model, and if we need to double back to the client problems, we will. So let's talk about her current model. Currently, she's saying, I do logos, websites, flyers, and branding. There's no starting offer. There's no structured client journey. No simple price entry point. And clients feel overwhelmed choosing. Listen, y'all, transparently, I went through this because I can pretty much do it all when it comes to marketing, media, and branding. Business systems, scaling, client messaging, I can do it all. So people would see what I could do, and if you're not careful As a brand designer, people will put you in the box and say, oh, you only make logos and flyers. When in actuality, you do way more than that. So this is also a messaging issue. When you're creating your content, you need to walk your client through what it is that you actually do, how you actually help them. Don't sell what you do, sell the benefits of what you do. What are the benefits of having a cohesive logo for different options? What's the benefit of having a color and a black and a white, a watermark, a graphic image logo only, and then a text version only? What's the benefit of that? Why do you even need that? How would you use it? So creating content that explains to your clients or potential clients why they need your services is also something that you should keep in mind as you're creating content. But we're here to do the make money method, and that's simple. It's only one message, one offer, and one system. So let's get into it. Let's fix Brittany's problem. We're gonna start off with one starter offer. That's a $50 brand audit. One clear outcome. We're gonna identify what's stopping their brand from making money, and one next step path. We're gonna recommend either a logo, a website, or a branding package after the audit. As you can see, we just cut down on all of the confusion, because instead of them coming to branding and saying, okay, can you look at my website? Can you look at my logo? Can you look at the last 3 flyers I put up? Branding is already gonna go in and look at all of that during that brand audit. From that brand audit, she's going to identify what's stopping their brand from making money, and then she's going to verbalize or convey those findings to the client. Then she's going to make her recommendation. She's going to recommend whether they need just a logo reboot, a website redesign, or if they need a total branding package after her audit. How do we make money fast? Brittany creates a simple post. If your brand looks good, but it isn't bringing in clients, I'm offering $50 brand audits this week. Then she's gonna put a link in her bio that leads directly to the booking page. Instead of waiting for someone to purchase a full branding package, she gives clients a clear place to begin. And we all know that once they get into her ecosystem, she can now offer them something every month. Because if you've ever attended one of my business besties conferences, you will know that we sell the same thing every month. We just put a pretty bow on it and make it special every month. And we coincide it with holidays or anniversaries, birthdays. We make it pretty, okay? It's a whole vibe. If you've never been, you need to come. So join COLLAB University so you'll know when the next one is happening. And we plan for 6 months at a time. All right, so now she needs a system, okay? Let's do it. Hey guys, it's Andrea. If you're ready to take what you're learning in COLLAB University and combine it with the system and the tech you need to push it over the edge, you need to come and join the Lead Lab. The Lead Lab is a CRM tool designed with the business and owner and entrepreneur in mind. But what makes the Lead Lab special is that not only do you get the tech and the systems that you need to scale and grow your business or brand, but you also get media marketing and branding strategy, as well as operations and logistics to help you reach your monthly financial goals. And we have 2 different options. The $299 option, we help you create everything, and for $399 a month, we'll do everything for you. So if this is something that you could benefit from, and I know that you can, click the link below to join the Lead Lab today. Once Brittany starts selling brand audits, she needs intake forms automatically sent, appointment confirmation scheduled, follow-up offers delivered after audits, upsells recommended based on client needs. Instead of repeating the same explanation every time, systems turn one small service into a pipeline for larger projects. Y'all, if you don't get in the Lead Lab so we can help you build the system to scale and grow, did you hear what all Brittany is gonna If Brittany did not have a CRM or a system, she would have to do all of these things manually. And all of these things needs to be done. Consistency is key when it comes to scaling and growing a business. So let's break them down one by one. She needs intake forms automatically sent. So with branding being a brand designer, she needs to come up with a intake form that gets her all the information from their client. She needs to know what the client would like for their brand to convey to their clients and their customers. And then she needs to take the information that they put in that intake form, and she needs to go and do the brand audit and make sure that what they want to happen is actually happening. And that form can be sent over automatically. Once you join Lead Lab, we will help you come up with creative marketing, creative branding, and strategy to set you apart in your industry. There are so many brand designers out there, but I promise you, there is one lane that you dominate. It's harder to see what you do best. It's often easier to see what someone else does best and what someone else does well. So I pride myself on making the Lead Lab a community where I'm helping people grow. I'm helping them thrive. I'm helping them to see, hey, this is your lane. You can dominate this. And one thing that many people kind of shy away from is scaling back how much they do. And if you notice, we did not take away any of the things that she offers. We only took away how many offer that she talks about. Because when you start talking about so many different offers, it often confuses people and leaves your clients wondering, like, I don't even know where to start. And I've done that before. I know that I've wanted to learn from someone and they had so many different classes and options to choose from. I'm like, well, which one should I start with? And oftentimes they don't check their DMs. They don't answer the questions. So this make money method, one message, one offer, one system, we're not saying that that's the only thing you offer, but so that's the only thing you're leading with at the time. I can't wait for you guys to dive into this and start implementing these tips and strategies into your businesses. Please leave me comments below. I want to hear what's going on. I want to know how it's working out for you. If you ran into any problems or obstacles, if there's anything that we need to pivot to make this work for you specifically, please let us know in the comments, or even better, join COLLAB University, the community, because it's free there and you can get the feedback from everyone. So can't wait to see you guys in lesson 104.